Hello, welcome to IB BioNotes 2.1. 2.1.1 Living Process and Chemistry. Molecular biology, study of biological activity at a molecular level, which can explain the living process in terms of chemical substances and living reaction involved. Majority of a chemical substance in a living organism are carbon-containing compounds such as lipids, carbohydrates, nucleic acid, and protein. Note carbon-based compounds are usually organic. Carbon compounds that are not organic are rare but include carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, carbonates, and hydrogen carbonates. Carbon has 4 valent electrons and can have 4 covalent bonds with other carbon atoms or atoms of other elements. This allows the diversity of stable carbon compounds to exist. Many important macromolecules are composed of long carbon chains or rings. Moving on to 2.1.2, carbohydrates, lipids, and amino acids. All living organisms are made up of organic compounds called macromolecules. Lipids, carbohydrates, nucleic acids, and proteins are all macromolecules and contain carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Note nitrogen in some proteins and nucleic acids while phosphorus in some lipids. Carbohydrates, macromolecules composed of 3 elements, carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. The ratio of hydrogen to oxygen is 2 to 1. Lipids. Lipids is a diverse group of organic compounds, including steroids, cholesterol, wax, phospholipids, and triglycerides. Protein consists of amino acids that are arranged in long chains. Nucleic acids are also chains, but formed by nucleides. Macromolecules are made up of small building blocks called monomers that are joined together by polymers. Glucose is a building block of carbohydrates such as starch and cellulose. Amino acids, robust, and fatty acids are all monomers of proteins. Nucleic acids and lipids are respectively. Continuing of 2.1.2, drawing structures. Know how to draw and identify each. Glucose has 6 carbons, while robust has 5. Lipids has COOH attached to it. Moving on to 2.1.3, metabolism, anabolism, and catabolism. Metabolism is the sum of all enzymatic reactions that take place inside a living organism. Anabolism is the synthesis of complex molecules from simple molecules that require the input of energy. Anabolism includes the formation of macromolecules from monomers by condensation reaction. For instance, protein and starch are made up from amino acids and glucose units. Catabolism is a breakdown of complex molecules into simple molecules. This includes the hydrolysis of macromolecules into monomers. Catabolism is a process during which energy is released. Hydrolysis reaction is a breakdown of chemical bonds by the addition of water molecules. Condensation reaction, a reaction in which 2 small organic molecules combine to form large molecules with accompanying formation of water or some other simple molecule. Moving on to 2.1.4, urea. According to the theory of vitalism, organic compounds could only be synthesized by living organisms as they possess an element that non-living things do not have. Artificial synthesis of urea is formed organic chemicals in 1828 by Frederick Worthell helped to falsify the theory of vitalism. Urea is an organic compound used by a human body to excrete nitrogen as a non-toxic and highly soluble. That is all. Thank you for your time.